Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cross Street Classics. And we're back here with our friend Pete's 67 Mustang fastback. Last video we did on this, we worked on the radiator, upgraded the cooling system. And something he decided to do here is upgrade his headlights. Now we still have the stock halogen headlamps in here. And he wanted to do something a little different. So we're going to do the Red Line Lumtronics Euro style crystal diamond cut LED headlamp, and these have a halo around them, LED halo around them too. So we're going to get these installed, put them in here. It'll give him a little bit better visibility at night, and it'll look pretty cool too. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our box. Got these from CJ Pony. They were I think $230 or $250 for the set. Instructions wanted to fly out of my hand. So I got some instructions here. Something else here. Something else. Wiring harness, and our very well packed headlights. Yeah, sure did packing good. Now, these are pretty cool. You can see the LEDs all the way around the edge, and the back side of the light. So from what I understand, I think we have to do some modifying to the headlamp bucket for this to fit in. So we're going to look at that, and these wires, I believe, are the wires to wire into the parking lamps, so you get the LED halo effect. So we're going to get one of our old lights out first. All right, so the first thing, we're going to take our trim ring off around the light. I think my battery's going dead. And we'll take our headlight ring off. Alright, so we're going to take the headlight bucket out too. Alright, so we got our handy headlight spring hook tool here. Get that unhooked. We'll try to leave our screws in place. Not mess with them. So I want to mess up with our headlight beam. Okay, so here's our headlight bucket. So we're going to put our new light in here and see what kind of trimming we need to do. Alright, so here's our headlight, our new one here in our headlight bucket. Again, you can see that got to do a little bit of trimming. Probably got to take this whole area out here. So we're going to get the cutoff tool and take this off, trim it out. Alright guys, so I got the back of this cut out. I took and cleaned it up and put a fresh coat of trim black on to keep that cut edge from rusting. And I just used a pair of nice left-hand cut aviation snips, offsets. I was able to go right around there. And I made a pretty nice cut for it, so that fits good. So in the meantime, while it's drying, I put the car back up on the lift. To make it a little bit easier to access the wiring, because we got to tie that red and black wire for the LED halo into the front parking lamp. So we're going to feed that wire down under here and tie underneath there somewhere. All right, so we got our wiring all done underneath, and Blake is going to put the park lamps on. Oh man, pretty cool. So when these are energized, the halo is energized, Blake will put the low beam on now, and he'll put the high beam on. Actually, I think that was backwards, but that's yeah, that's cool. It's kind of cool too, guys. I don't know how many people realize this, that back in the 60s there, your parking lamps were off when the headlights were on. I'm not sure when they changed that. I know at least 68 was like that. Yeah, that's just on your front, obviously. When the headlights come on, the park lamps went off. And maybe someone can chime in and let us know when that was changed. But yeah, so this is kind of cool, guys. Looks real nice. So we're going to shut the lights off now. We're going to put the trim ring back on this side. And we're going to attach our wiring up underneath there, clean it up, and do the other side. Well, guys, we got this all wrapped up here. Project didn't go too bad. Took about, I don't know, maybe 2 hours total with everything here. So Blake's going to turn the parking lights on. I'll give you the full effect here. So really looks nice. These white LEDs really go nice with the silver car. I can't wait to see this thing at nighttime all lit up. We got the LED tail lights on this too. Blake's going to turn the low beams on now. And the high beams. Actually, I think that's low beams there, isn't it? That's high beams. I'm a little brighter. Anyway, there's the low and the high beams. And he'll turn them off with just the marker lights. And we get the LED halo. And we'll go around the back of the car. So Blake will hit the brakes. So nice LEDs in the back. So anyway, guys, this is all done. Come out pretty nice. It really looks nice on the car. So as always, from Blake and I, we'll catch you again. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Don't forget to comment, ask questions. We'll be glad to answer them. And we'll see you next time.